And he's looking at it. He was looking. He was like, he had it in his hand, like he couldn't, like, it's not that hard to count. And then I remember, I was like, I think he about to say something about the tip. So he's like, no tip for us? I'm like, man, y'all already $22. We Hustle Daily, what's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray, man. And in today's video, guys, I got a question for y'all. Should we freaking keep the Infiniti M? All right, so y'all know I done had this car for the longest. I actually had the silver car longer than I had this car. So the one that I just sold, I had that car longer than I had this car. This car need to hit a car wash, like, badly. I haven't did nothing to it since it came from Copart, but I don't know, man. I'm trying to see if I should keep the M and just like ride this, but I done had this for so long. It's like, man, I want to just sell this just in case somebody, you know, come and get it. But we over here by the M. I'm about to take the M to get washed up. I got to get emissions for the M. Y'all see Jeepers Creepers. I'll just drive Jeepers Creepers if I have to. But yep, we got the M right here. We about to drive this thing. I know a lot of you guys in the comments was like, man, you should keep it, you should keep it. I do want to keep it, guys, but man, oh man, that money is calling, you know what I mean? Now, I did post the car because I already had pictures. Wait, I don't even need to clean the car up since I already got pictures. I just thought about it. I don't even need to clean the car up since I got pictures. A guy sent me a picture of his M. Hold on. Turn this down.
3 months with his avatar. My own channel group is 0.
Turn it down. All right. But I do gotta get some interior pictures though. A guy sent me a picture of his black one. Man, that mug was hard. It got some different wheels on it. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen because he showed me. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen and show y'all what I'm talking about. But I guess I'm about to just go get emissions. I'm not even about to clean this thing up, you know what I mean? So I guess my question to you guys is, should I freaking sell the M, yo? I think I'm gonna post both is what I'm gonna do. I know I'm asking y'all a question and gonna do this at the same time, but I do want to keep the M, y'all. But sheesh, man, I can get paid for the M, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna go ahead and get emissions for it. And what else did I have to do? Oh, taking pictures of the interior. So I just cleaned it out. Y'all can see I cleaned it out, cleaned the back seat, you know what I'm saying? Threw all that stuff in the truck, and now I'm about to go get emissions and just come right back, since I was gonna wash it, but I already got my pictures. Like, I don't need to wash it, you know what I mean? I can wash it right before the customer buys the car, you know what I mean? So that's what we got going on today. So let me head up here, get some emissions, get some food to eat. I know these are rare. That's why I like it, you know what I mean? Because you don't see a whole lot of them on the street. But at the same time, you know, we are in the business to make money. There's going to be plenty of more cars, y'all, you know what I'm saying? I understand that, you know what I mean? And like I say, if somebody comes and buy that that G25, I gotta let it go, bro. I done had it for too long. I probably done had it for like 2 months. It's just as long as I probably had that Mitsubishi longer. Had the silver car longer than any of them. Then I had the Mitsubishi, which we sold. And I had the then I got that. So I don't know, if they buy this, then I'll get in that, and if they buy this, I'll get in this, and if they buy this, then Jeepers Creepers is gonna be my everyday ride for right now. I got a car that I'm waiting to come online. It hasn't popped up for sale yet, but I got a car that I'm waiting on, man. So we are just waiting on that, and we are gonna see what happens with that. But I actually gotta be back in the house in 30 minutes. So let's go ahead and go do this, guys. So I'll see you guys at the emission spot. All right, get about this mug, guys. Show y'all what we got. Gotta get this thing cleaned up. What they emissions? $20, $22? Oh, $22. Damn, they tags in, bro. But yeah, man, I don't know what y'all think, man. What do y'all think, bro? Should we get rid of them, or should we go ahead and keep them, man? Like I said, I would like to keep it, yo, but y'all know how the game go, bro. That mug look good, though. Let me take my picture right here. I think that's a better picture. So yeah, man, and the car rides way better too since I changed that wheel. I put that other wheel over there, so that mug is riding excellent, you know what I mean? But we got to take some pictures of the inside, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and do while they go ahead and finish up there. So that's what I need to do. I need to actually get this out of here. I'm gonna put this in the trunk. Let's go ahead and do that. I don't even be using the steering wheel heater. I need to start using that. All right, hold on, y'all. y'all. Hold up. I ain't been skating in so long. Alright, so let me take my pictures real quick and I'm gonna be back with y'all in a second. I actually need to move this stuff. Let me turn this music down before we get copyrighted. I'm gonna just have to keep my phone in my pocket. Put this down here so we can take our pictures. There we go. And keys. Yeah. So I'm gonna take my pictures. Dang, I actually need to wipe that seat. What's going on with that seat back there? And that door panel. What's going on right there? Gotta wipe that down. But all right, I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Let me go ahead and get this emissions real quick and I'll be back with y'all in a second. You know what I left? My wallet. Jeez. I left my wallet. Damn it. What if they take credit card? I think he do. Yeah, he do. Wait, I don't have a credit card. This is wild. All right, we gotta go back home. All right, guys, we are back at the emissions place, so we're getting emissions. After that is done, what else do we have to do today? Man, look at the screen. Look at that screen. I took my pictures already. All I gotta do is, I actually posted my pictures already. So I'm just ready for somebody to come buy something, man. Either the G25 or this M37. They gotta buy something, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and get my emissions. Yeah, I don't even know where else I'm gonna do with this video. I just really came on camera just to ask y'all what y'all think I should do, but I know a lot of y'all was saying keep it, but you know, we gotta make some money, you feel me? So I don't know what we gonna do. We'll see. Whatever sell first, you feel me? I was just talking to my boy Bruce. Make sure y'all follow Bruce Mobile on his YouTube channel. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Follow my boy, and yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a few, man. Yo, this guy right here, I had to get back on camera for y'all, bro. This guy right here is funny. Yo, the price already $22. Like, the price already $22 for emissions. I think that's high. I don't remember, like, nah, hell nah, $22. Like, you could got what I usually pay. I ain't got emissions in a while, y'all. Like 8. Damn, what did he do to my seat? He did something to my seat? Yeah, he did. You gonna make me sit up. $22. So I gave him the 20. I gave him a 20 and I gave him a 20 and two. I gave him a $20 bill and two $1 bills. And he's looking at it. He was looking. He was like, he had it in his hand, like he couldn't. Like it's not that hard to count. And then I remember, I'm like, I think he about to say something about the tip. So he's like, no tip for us. I'm like, man, y'all already $22. Like honestly, I gotta get back home. Like I didn't even want to freaking pay that for real. I was about to drive somewhere else, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get me some Dunkin' Donuts, some food, and I'm like, man, I'm gonna just go here. You know what I'm saying? My car gonna pass emissions. Let me just do it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get back home. So yeah, I didn't want to pay $22, but y'all let me know how much emissions usually be. Listen, like $19.99, $15.99, $14.99, stuff like that. He told me some no tip for us. Man, y'all already $22. He like, okay, thank you. No, thank you. Shit. But all right, guys. What else do I got for y'all, man? I don't think I'm doing nothing else today. I'm probably gonna hang out at the lake. Once I get done doing what I gotta do at the crib, I'll probably hang out at the lake. But other than that, man, I really ain't got nothing going on. So if the video ends right here, then it ends right here. Y'all drop them comments and the links in the description. Hey, listen, that's another thing. Follow my YouTube channels. We Hustle Daily, that's my YouTube channel. We Still Hustle Daily, that's my YouTube channel. Auction Cars for Less, that's my YouTube channel. So I got 3 YouTube channels, all right? So make sure y'all, because a lot of y'all was like, hey, is that you? Yeah, We Still Hustle Daily. Yes, that is my YouTube channel. Those are my videos that I'm posting. So yes. So and those of you who have missed a lot of content, you can go over there and watch those videos. You know what I'm saying? Because we got some good videos over there. You know what I'm saying? Because some of the views didn't already, some of the videos didn't get as much traction as I feel like they did. Like some of the, like sometimes if you don't make a good thumbnail and a title, like it'll be a great video, but if don't nobody click it and watch it, you know, it just, you know what I'm saying? So, but I'm gonna see y'all in a few. If I see y'all in a few, or if I see y'all tomorrow, or whatever the case is, I appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all for y'all support, who continue to rock with me. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I'm out. Peace. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.